Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing the Q&A. Remember, I was supposed to make this Q&A long time ago, but the reason I haven't done it is because I use my phone for filming, and if I want to read out the question, how do I read out the question and how do I film? Recently God has blessed this channel with a camera, which is what you guys are seeing. That is why I decided to film this video now. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much. Let's just go into the Q&A. I asked sometime on my community tab that I wanted you guys to send me questions so I can answer. Some of you came through, very few of you, but it's good, came through and sent a couple of questions, a lot of questions though, from just one person. I will be answering that question in this video. But just a minute, let me just scroll through to the posts where I asked the question. Let me just start with the first question. The first one is, are you a stay-at-home mom? If not, what type of job are you doing? Okay, I am not a stay-at-home mom. I'm actually staying home now because I put to bed and I was pregnant, and you guys saw how my pregnancy was. If you did not check, go and check those videos, because I was miserable. Like, pregnancy makes me miserable. But no, I'm not a stay-at-home mom. And yeah, last year we had COVID-19. Nobody went out, literally. I'm not a stay-at-home mom. I'm just waiting to dedicate my baby so I can start going back to work, to what I do. So what type? Okay, I think there's another one that says, if not, what type of job are you doing? I'm actually a lawyer. Yeah, you know what lawyers do. So I'm a lawyer. I work in a chamber. I go to court. I prepare documents. Literally everything that lawyers do, I do. So the next one is, I are from the same tribe. Okay, I think the person is trying to ask, are you from the same tribe with your husband? Nope. My husband is, we're both from River State. I don't know if River State can be called a tribe. We're both from River State, but I am from a different local government. My husband is from a different local government. I'm from Eleme local government. Shout out if you're from Eleme. Let me know down in the comment section. If you're from River State as well, come on, shout out in the comment section. We're all one, even Nigeria. But yeah, I'm from Eleme. My husband is from Eche in River State as well, but totally different language, totally different, like different lifestyles. River State is so diverse. I'm very surprised when people think that the whole of River State is just one local government. You know, people look at River, just like if you're outside Nigeria, they look at Nigeria like, and Africa like one country. That is how people look at River State. Excuse me, I'm having a cold, so if I'm sounding somehow, just bear with me. Do you feel safe to live in Nigeria with all the news which is going around on social media? Nope, I don't. I don't feel safe living in Nigeria. Everything going on, I don't even want to start calling names of what has been happening, but I'm very sure you guys know what has been going on in this country. I don't feel safe at all. My prayer is that God continues to just protect us, because people have been going, people are dying, things are happening, but we are still here, right? So let's just keep praying that God's mercy continue protecting and showing us love, basically. Being very religious in this video. The next one is, when your kids grow up, do you want them to study abroad or in Nigeria for university? Of course, my kids, I would love them to study abroad. By God's grace, I would want that for them. I had a little bit of the experience. I would also want them to have that experience as well. Then the next one is from a different person now. Okay, I think I should just call you your names, right? These questions I read is actually from one person, and that person is Yomi Kitchen Direct. I'm sorry if you don't want me calling your name, but yeah. The second one now is from Sue's Love, and she asks a lot of questions. I'm going to answer the first one. How are you coping as a new mom of 3? Guys, it has been overwhelming. I've been meaning to like film a video talking about the experience, like being a mom of 3. I need to film that video. It's not been easy. Like 2 alone, I knew how hard it was, but with 3, and this little one being still very small, it's been a lot of work, but they're all cute, right? They're cute. Kids are sweet, but they come with a lot of stress. Uh, do you have a house help? Yes, I do. I can't survive without them. Not living in this kind of house with 3 kids, active kids. My kids are not just kids, my kids are very active. I need a house help to survive, sister. I do. I need a house help. I have it. When were you in the US, and for how long? I was in the US for approximately, let's say, just 2 years. I was in the US 2018, 2019, and I came back December 2019. Like, yeah, that was when I came back to Nigeria. How long have you been married? I've been married for, I think this year is going to make me 8 years in marriage, guys. I'm old. I've been married for, I got married in 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2021. See, it's actually my 8 years married. Like, sometimes I don't even want to believe it. Sometimes I think I'm 7, sometimes 8. I'm actually 8 years in marriage. Time goes so fast. Do you consider YouTube your full-time job? No. Nope. YouTube is not my full-time job. Nope. No. Do I consider it even in future full-time job, YouTube alone, like just YouTube? They must have been paying me a lot of money for me to just do YouTube alone. No. But never say never though, because guys, the way the world is going, everything is going digital, everything is going online, everything is, so even if I still want to practice my profession in future, continue practicing my profession in future, I can still even incorporate it into a YouTube channel, like legal assistance and everything on YouTube. But it's definitely going to be different from this one though. I might open maybe a different YouTube channel for just my profession. Then this one is still just going to be about me, my personal life and lifestyle videos in general. Do you have a degree? If yes, in what? I have a degree, and I have a degree in law. I have a degree in law. Yeah, let me just keep it there. I wanted to say I have both masters, but I have a degree in law. Both in law, both of them, both the LLB and the masters LLM, both in law. Do you ever want more kids? No, I don't want kids. Never, ever again. Just me, I don't want kids. But my organ at the top is disturbing my life. I don't want more kids. You guys know how this last pregnancy was with me. No, that is how my pregnancies have been. No. It's not just this last one. Like, naturally, pregnancy is not meant for some people. By God, I'm very glad for God giving me these kids. But there are people that are just meant to have just 1 or 2 kids. That is me. So, no more kids. God even blessed me with extra Jara. So, He should give it to people. There are people that are really, really craving, that are really looking for the fruit of the womb, and I pray every day that God should remember them first before thinking of us again, because me, I don't want kids. I have to be sincere with you guys. Personally, myself, I am done with kids. But my husband. When is your birthday? My birthday is October 16th, 1991. I'm actually staring at my baby. She's here sleeping. My birthday is October 16th, 1991. If you want to get me present, I would love it. I can just send you my address. You send it to me, or even keep it at the post office. I'll come and pick it. What's the next one? How has your weight loss been? Do you have a good weight? Guys, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've stopped going for morning exercises. Yeah, but funny enough, I've not really gained so much weight. I'm the kind of person that I don't really, I think the weight comes out on its own when it's ready. But I stopped watching my weight for now, because I figured baby is still sucking and I'm going for weight loss. Though what it helped me that time, apart from losing weight, it helped my mental health. If you guys are where, you know I lost my dad early this year, so it really disturbed me. Weight loss was not just to lose weight, or the morning walk was not just to lose weight, it was also to clear my head every morning. I go out and it clears my head, and it worked. Like, it cleared my memory. I feel so good now. So if I will continue doing this, I don't know, I think I'm going to continue lose my weight loss journey after I'm done baby friendly. That's after I'm done giving baby, because I still eat very well so she can be healthy, okay? So, and I still go out to work in the morning, and she doesn't really sleep all through the night. And when I wake up very early to go work for a walk, I don't sleep very well because I have tried to wake up at 5, 6. A lot. I just stopped. I don't even know how to. I don't even know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Or I just stopped temporarily, but I will continue after she stops breastfeeding exclusively. When will we meet hubby? You mean like meet hubby like in a video like differently, or meet hubby? How? You guys have seen my hubby on this channel, though he's a shy person. I don't know. I don't know if you guys know, but talking to the camera is creepy. I don't know if you want to sit down and be talking to this lens and I'm talking to. I know I'm talking to people. I look at my camera or my phone when I film, like there are people inside that stuff, you know. If not, I'll be very tempted to look at here. But if my husband sits here, I'm very sure it's going to be like, so this is what this lady does, huh? So what I'm saying in essence is, I don't think he would want to come on my channel, like sit down like this. Apart from the fact that it's looking weird, he doesn't really have time like that during the days. In fact, the only time he has time is weekends, and even the weekends he uses it to like catch up with friends, unwind. I just let him have his time weekends, because I know how hard he works during the week. Closes very late from work, except probably I might get a ring light in the night. When he comes back, I'll just beg him, let's do a video together. But I don't know when you guys will meet him. I don't want to say it's going to be this year, I don't want to say next year, but it's just might happen at some point in this channel. Oh, I love you guys. Oh, Sus Love said, I know it's a lot. Love from Ireland. Girl, it's not a lot. I wish it was even more than this. I enjoy answering all these questions. I enjoy answering all these questions. It wasn't a lot, but I think it's enough for now. Thank you for everyone that sends in questions, and for people that did not send in questions but you still want to ask me questions. Feel free to go back under this tab, or my community tab, and ask me your question, or even leave it in the comment section. I will definitely do an update Q&A probably in the future, or even sooner than you know it, and I'll answer your questions. But I want to first of all thank each and every one of you that have remained on my channel. I noticed that there are a certain number of people that keep commenting on every video I upload. I can't thank you guys enough. If you want me, I would have loved, if you just let me, I would have loved to call your name, each and every one of you. But thank you. I see your comments. I love you guys. I would have been here without you. Imagine me uploading a video, and even if I get maybe views and I don't get anybody to interact with the video, I wouldn't have the love, or even have the zeal to put out more content. But you guys make me do this. I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you, even if I'm seeing lots of subscribers on my channel over there. I think that was about 5,000 as I when I'm making this video today. Today is Sunday, May 30th, and this video is going to go up on Tuesday, which is going to be like 1st or 2nd of June. So much. Thank you. I appreciate. God bless you. But that will be it for this video, and I hope to talk to you guys later in another video. If you guys want me to be doing more sit down videos, please also drop a comment. Drop it in the comment section, the kind of videos you want me to do, so I sit down and do, other than just doing vlogs, because I know vlogs is interesting to watch, but sometimes it doesn't really make you know the person who is actually vlogging so much. But I feel sitting down talking to you guys actually brings us closer. It makes me feel like I'm having a chatty heart-to-heart conversation with you guys, and this is what I actually love too. But I just need you guys to drop your suggestions of the kind of videos you want us to make sitting down, and I'll gladly make it for you. But that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. But just in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like, share, do all the good stuff. Share, I keep saying share. When I mean share it to your friends, share it on your YouTube if you're a YouTuber, on your community tab, share it to Instagram. You're free to share everywhere. I appreciate, and I'll see you guys